All right, there's your basic slapback. And you guys aren't getting blown out here, so I'm going to turn up a little bit. Why is this so... Something's not right. There we go. Slapback echo, okay?
Yeah.
Now here's something more. This down a little bit. Now here's where you feed the output back into the input. Here's where you can feed it back so much that it starts to regenerate. You hear the harmonics? Isn't that fantastic? Now we can use the EQ. You can use the EQ. Right? That's totally Lee Perry. Or, like this. And then okay, now I have messed with this MM3055 so that normally it has an oscillator, it has a clock. And if the clock is running fast enough, the fidelity of the bucket brigade is okay for vocals and stuff. But you notice it's not a perfect, it's not a digital delay. It's not that clean. But if you were to slow the clock down really slow, you get all kinds of aliasing, and so. Time when we get on our bikes and ride.